Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change default apps and gestures on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to settings. Here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go to apps and go to general section. Now click on default apps, and here we can change the browser app, caller ID and spam app, digital assistant app, home app, phone, SMS, and wallet. So for example, we can use another wallet if we have, and of course we can change the SMS app, phone, now the default home app. So here, if you have some apps from Play Store, like for example iOS Launcher, which was very popular back then you can change it right here. And of course digital assistant map, sorry, not map but app, here we have it. And I would recommend keeping it at Google, because Google is just basically forced into the phone since it's named Google Pixel. Here we have the caller ID and spam app, we got the phone, and browser we can change to Chrome for an example. So that's how you guys can do it. Now we're gonna go to the navigation gestures. So we're gonna leave the apps. Now go over to display and touch, and once you're in display and touch, you can scroll down, and here you will have navigation mode. You can change it from gesture navigation. So from this you can change it to the free button one at the bottom. Now I don't really like the free buttons, so I'm always using the gesture navigation, but that's just a preference. You can also change the settings, like the sensitivity, which is the back, and as you guys can see, we can change it to low, we can change it to high, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.